Hello students, today we will discuss the open book test on lesson profit loss. The question number first is complete the following table. Here I gave you one table, it is same like in our textbook. It is given that here what we have to do, we have to find the profit or loss and how much profit or how much loss is there, that we have to discuss. So here, as I told you before only, that when selling price is greater than cost price, then there is a profit, and when cost price is greater than selling price, then there is a loss. So according to it, if you see here, you will notice that in first example, here it is cost price is given 6,000 and selling price is given how much? 6,240. So if you understand here, selling price is greater than the cost price, and that's why there is a profit. And how much profit is there? 6,240 minus 6,000, it is the 2,240 rupees is the profit. In second example, the cost price is 4,000 and selling price is 3,525. In this transaction inside, you will notice that the cost price is more than the selling price, and therefore there is a loss. And how much is the loss? You just subtract 4,000 minus 3,525. Then you will notice that the answer of it is that. So here, in this transaction, he faces the loss of rupees how much? 475 rupees loss that person faces. In third example, here the cost price is 325 and selling price is 400. Selling price is greater than the cost price, therefore there is a profit. How much is the profit? If you subtract this, 400 minus 325 means selling price minus cost price is equals to what? Profit. So if you put the values here, selling price is 400 minus cost price is 325. If you do the subtraction of this both, you will get here 75 rupees is the profit. So you have to write 75 in this column. In fourth example, here there is a cost price. Here cost price is 2,500 and selling price is 2,450. So how much? Here it is cost price is greater than the selling price, and therefore there is a loss. And if you subtract, loss is equals to, what is the formula of loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP, means cost price minus selling price, is equal to 2,500 minus 2,450. So there is a 50 rupees loss is there. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the first example. Student, those absent in the school, whenever I am teaching, it is the revision also for them. Now we will see the next example. It is a word problem. Sambhaji Rao brought a machine from a factory, and how much is the cost? That is 75,000 is the cost price. So how much is the cost price? That is the 75,000. And he paid an octroi tax. It is a tax that we have to pay when we buy any machine. And then here he spent how much? 750 rupees on a transport. So whenever we are considering here CP and CP, cost price, that time we have to think about this all, that is the whatever actual price of a machine plus tax and plus whatever he spent on the transport. This all's addition is the CP of a machine. And again whatever is given here, he again paid the 300 rupees on the porterage to put that machine into the factory this much. So in CP inside we have to add 75,000 plus 1600 plus 750 and then 300. Okay, and then what happens here, he sold that machine for how much? 1 lakh rupees. So here it is 1 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh rupees is the SP of a machine. So this example, let's solve this example. So first of all, here we write whatever is given to us. Okay, so here actual, in short I am going to write here. So here we will write CP of a machine is equals to, CP means cost price of, you just write it in full form, CP of machine equals to, how much is the CP of machine is equals to price of machine, okay, plus tax, octroi tax, octroi tax plus transport and plus what? Porterage. All that charges we have to add. So here I am going to add what is the actual price of machine, that is 75,000. Okay, plus how much is the tax, that is 1600. Then how much is the he spent on transport? 750 rupees he paid. Here it is, I gave 750 rupees he paid on the for that transport. And again he how much? 300 rupees is the what? It's a porterage charge. Let's add this all. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. If you do the addition of this all, you will get here its addition is 77,650. Okay, then 77,650 is the cost price of the machine. Now selling price of machine is equals to how much? 1 lakh rupees. Now if you notice here, SP is greater than CP and therefore there is a what? Therefore there is profit. So how much is the profit we have to find? So what is the formula for profit? Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Okay, and now just subtract 1 lakh minus 77,650, you will get the answer. You will get the required answer. Just solve the example. Okay, now we will see the next example, question number 3. Okay, so here in the question just find the answer at up to end point. I just teach you how to solve this example. Now here next question is the Radha brought a trouser for rupees 400 and shirt for rupees 360. Okay, sold them for rupees 515 and 390 rupees respectively. Which of the transaction is more profitable? That we have to discuss. So here what is the price of a shirt? The price of shirt is 400 CP of shirt is equals to 400. CP of shirt trouser is equals to 400 and CP of shirt is equals to how much? 360 and selling price is 515 and 390. Okay, now we will find how much is the, we have to find out which transaction is more profitable. So here in this example, CP of shirt is equals to how much? 400, and SP is equals to how much? 550. Same, CP of shirt, here it is trouser, and here it is shirt. CP of shirt is equals to 360, and SP is equals to how much? 390. Now in this example inside, which transaction is more profitable, that we have to find out. So profit in the trouser is equals to how much? 515 minus 400. So here 115 rupees is the profit in the transaction of trouser, and that of shirt is equals to 390 minus, here it is trousers, and up downside I am finding the shirts. So 390 minus 360 is equal to how much? 30 rupees is the profit. Now which profitable we have to find out, that's why we have to find here profit percent. So profit percent of trouser is equals to, what is the formula for profit percent? That is profit, how much is the profit in the trousers transaction? Profit upon CP means 400 into 100. Profit upon CP into 100. So here when you solve, zeros get cancels with these zeros. Okay, then 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, remains 9, 10, 11, 3, 4 eights are 32, remains 3, point 4 sevens are 28, remains 2, 0 take, and 4 fives are 20. So how much is the profit? That is profit percent 28.75 is the profit percent of trouser, 28.75. Now we will find the profit percent of shirt. So here again profit percent in the shirt is equals to, I am solving on it only, profit percent of shirt is equals to, again profit means 30 rupees, profit in the shirt is 30 rupees, profit upon CP of shirt is equals to how much? 360, and into 100. Okay, so here zeros get cancelled with this 0. Now here 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, and 5 10s are 50 upon 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48. So here 6 8s are 48, remains 2, 0 take, and 6 6 3s are 18, again remain 2. So here 2 is repeating, so 8.3 we will conclude here. So in this transaction inside, the trouser inside, the shopkeeper got the profit of 28.75%, and the shirt profit he got 8.3%. So here the transaction the shopkeeper got the more profit in the transaction of trouser. So in this way we have to solve this example. Now we will see the next question. So note down all of you this. The next question is the, using the figures given below, frame the question based on profit percent and the loss percent. Okay, and solve the problem. So here I gave you cost price is equal to 1800 and selling price is equals to 3600. So here you will notice that here selling price is more and cost price is less. So here we have to frame the question. So it is depends on you how you are framing the question. Okay, so just I will give you an example. If the cost price of a bed sheet is 1800 and selling price is 3600, what is its profit percent? How much is the profit percent? So just you just find the profit inside it. You will notice that here, if you get profit is equals to 3600 minus 1800, so how much is the profit? 1800. So here we have to solve the example. So profit percent is equals to profit is equal to selling price minus cost price is equal to 3600 minus 1800 is equals to 1800, and profit percent is equals to profit upon CP into 100. Okay, so zeros get cancels with 0. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 2 ones are 2, and here 50. So 50% is the profit in this what transaction. In this way you can frame your own question. It is not necessary whatever I just told you, you just copy down, you just frame the question whatever you want that, and just solve the example. Same here, the cost price is equal to 8400, transport is equals to 3000, transport charges are 350, porterage is equal to 250, and selling price is 10,000. So here you have to do the addition of this all. So here 8400 plus, here just add, here CP is equals to, so here the total cost price, total CP is equals to, so we have to, first of all we have to frame question. Just I will orally tell you the question. Radha bought a sewing machine for rupees, just we are framing the question. Radha bought a sewing machine for 8400. She paid 350 rupees on transport and 250 rupees on the porterage. After some time she sold it for rupees 10,000. So how much is the profit or loss percent? That is the, in this way you can frame the question. Now here we will solve the question. So total CP is equals to machine's price plus transport plus how much? Porterage. So price of machine is equal to 8400 plus transport charges is 350 and the 250 rupees is the porterage. So if you add this all, you will get the addition of this is equal to 9000. Okay, now we have to find out the profit percent. So profit percent formula just now I told you, profit upon CP. Here we have to write SP is greater than CP, therefore there is a profit. So here profit upon CP into 100. So how much is the profit? 9000. CP is equals to how much? That is the profit is equals to how much? That is profit is equal to, here I will solve, profit is equals to 10,000 means selling price minus cross price is equal to how much? 1000 rupees. So here profit is equal to 10,000 minus 9,000 is equal to 1000. CP is equals to how much? 9,000 and into 100. You will solve this, you will get the answer of it. So here 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 upon 9 and 100 upon 9, you will get the 100 upon 9.